Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use Contact Performance Dashboard in BoldDesk. The Contact Performance Dashboard allows you to track and analyze the performance of contacts and contact groups for requested tickets in a specified period. By monitoring the performance of your customers, you will be able to evaluate the effectiveness of your support process. This dashboard can be found in the Reports module of the Agent portal. Now, let me show you how to use Contact Performance Dashboard to visualize customer-related data based on ticket statistics, SLA statistics, and CSAT score. First, you can track ticket and ticket conversation summary on the Stats widget. Here, you will see the count of tickets requested, tickets reopened, tickets pending, and tickets closed by contact or contact group. You can also track the count of replies posted by contacts and agents in response to tickets. You can view the underlying data of a particular metric by clicking on its count. This option is available across all the widgets in this dashboard. On the Ticket Requested widget, you will track the total count of requested tickets by contacts or contact groups, categorized based on selected group by option values. The Search option enables you to search and visualize data by a particular contact or contact group. With the help of Export option, you can export this report in Excel file. On the Ticket Statistics widget, you can view the comparison between the customer response count, agent response count, first contact resolution, and CSAT score percentage based on the selected contact or contact group during the specified time period. The Search and Export options are also available on this widget. Next is the SLA Statistics widget. In this widget, you can monitor and compare the total number of times the SLA was breached based on first response, next response, resolution time, and total breached ticket counts during the specified time. To get this comparison, make sure that the ticket's current requester must be the selected contact or contact group. The Search and Export options are also available on this widget. On the Customer Satisfaction widget, you will track the customer satisfaction feedback for the provided services. Here, you will see CSAT score, number of surveys sent, number of customer responses, and response rate. You can also track and analyze customer satisfaction rating based on satisfaction category. Finally, let's see how to filter and visualize data in Contact Performance Dashboard. With the Advanced Filter option, you can drill down data by selecting the required fields and save as view. The relation between the selected fields will be considered as an end condition when multiple fields are selected. You can also visualize data based on brand using the Brand Filter dropdown. Additionally, you can filter the data based on the dates. With Date Filter, you can select to view the data within a predefined date ranges or a custom range. All these filter options are applicable globally for all the widgets. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.